Jesus Christ, Rasta!
Yo, Rasta! Rasta! Yeah, all heap of people have to say, through the youths them born in some community where they classify or them brand the community as some bad community or be a bad people live there. Them claims that the youth them follow the same badness trend. What you have to say about that?
That is not true. The fact is, gems come from the ghetto same way, don't? Yeah.
See there, me's a product of the ghetto. What them a talk about? I don't understand what them a talk about. And you see, success in a living colours, straight from the ghetto. Doctors, nurses, lawyers come out of the ghetto. So, them can't look down upon the ghetto people them and put them aside and think of upper class alone do it. See there? Product of the ghetto and we make it and we do the same, you see me? Yeah.
Some people they negative man and them bad mouth, it tough and put stigma upon the youth them. You see me, because everybody in that girl say bad man, you see me? But for me, no, me no bad man. When I come from Westgate is a Iron Shore. Where I come from is a really tough community, see me, you see me? And I get a Rosite, see me, you see me? Progressive we see around here, you see me? Now one go.
I really think bad people they don't care about good people, the boy at all.
From me I show progress, I'm a friend them say progress. We work together. We not bad mind and envy with one another, kill with one another. None of them things there. Fresh brain, fresh mind, new Jamaica. Positive, which is right.
Good people come from ghetto, man. You know what I say? We have all different type of people. They come from the ghetto. You know, say good class, middle class. Everybody come from the ghetto. Cause without the ghetto, some people is nothing. You know what I say? So I just the society where I can discriminate people. You see what I say? Yeah, man. That's how things set.
That is just a thing set by society, the persons them who actually control how things flow. Fact is, garrisons didn't create themselves. You know? Garrisons are things that are orchestrated by the wealthy, because without garrisons you can't have the wealthy. Understand what I say? So to balance the thing, you have a garrison, and the garrisons are planned places. And unfortunately, black people who are the most divided people are the persons that know are subjected to these places, and you go find most people, black people, my kind of people in them place, and then of course I'm going to label them. Because of course we're going to be fighting for our needs, take care of our wants, we want money in our pocket, we can do the things and what we claim so the rich people can do the same way. So guess what now, we go fight amongst ourselves, because we can never see outside of where we're there. And society we can actually attain the things outside of fighting.
Yes, viewers and subscribers, you see what I'm going. Remember, it's acting, you see it. Like, subscribe, share, leave a comment right down there.
Sometimes, brother, it's just a push we want, you know. It's just a push we want to get ourselves going.
But don't forget, say, the most famous people come from the ghettos and the brightest people come from the ghettos.
Yeah, we know that. When people talk about ghetto, you understand me?
What is a ghetto?
I don't know.
What is a ghetto?
I don't know. I never look up that word yet.
State of mind.
Okay. Very good. Very
just like when we have more fun than uptown people.
No.
Enjoy yourself like that, man.
We have more fun than them because
they fun, the excitement. We sit together, we talk together.
we drink, we laugh, everything.